Hello y'all, what is up? What's poppin'? How y'all doing? You doing all right? Let me know in the comment section down below. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to all so you'll get notified of all the videos that I drop. For all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. Thank you for coming. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for returning. In today's video, I have a ModelOnes City and Blossom. This is a huge nail polish set. I think you guys are gonna really love this set. You get 24 pieces, 20 gel colors, along with the 20 colors, their nail primer, their base coat, a matte top coat, and y'all already know ModelOnes has a fire matte top coat, and then you're gonna get their regular top coat. Here are all the colors. I do have them swatched already. You are gonna get a color changing one in here as well, which is this one, and it goes from this beautiful purple glitter to a blue purple glitter. Let me just show you all these beautiful colors. Black, the blues, the beautiful greens, the yellow and the orange, the beautiful reds. You get a beautiful like apple red, beautiful sheer gold. All of these gorgeous sheers with glitter. We have a beautiful pink, the green, and the beautiful shimmery purple. Okay, so you get a variety. You get glitters, you get sheers, you get shimmers, like some solid colors, and a couple pastels, couple neons. Get a cute little postcard that says City Blossoms and ModelOnes. Have your instruction manual, of course. I do have a 15% off discount code that I will link in the description box and on the screen. This is the Las Vegas Lucky Casino collection. This kit does sell for $44.99. All right, you guys, for this design, for this video, we're gonna do something pretty simple. We're gonna do the like aura nails that a lot of people are doing on Instagram, but I'm gonna do my little spin on it. First thing you're gonna do is pull out the nails that you want to use. I'm gonna be using these ENC Couture nails. These are the French long sculptured stilettos. I do have my right hand already done. I do want to mention I do have a base gel on my nails at the moment, so we will not be going through my prep steps. I'm gonna pop my prep steps on the screen. I have ENC Couture's A Pink in 001. This is a 3-in-1 base. It is a base gel, a nail strengthener, and a color. I wanted to have something on there to give it a little bit of color. First thing you want to do, of course, is buff off your surface shine. These are already pre-etched on the undersides. You don't have to worry about that. The way that I like to pre-etch the black tips, because if you buff them too hard, the black part will come off. The way that I like to avoid that is taking a nail primer. ModelOnes offers one that comes in the kit, and you're gonna go over that nail until you start to feel it break down. Once you start to feel it break down, then you know it's working. You have a sticky surface to apply your gel to, and you don't even have to go in with a base. These are the 4 colors that I have chosen: yellow, pink, blue, and a purple shimmer. You're also gonna wanna get like these little jelly rhinestones. These on AliExpress. I will look for them for you guys. Also, I'm using my Sailor Magic liner brush, which looks like this. It's a thicker style liner, and my Sailor Magic art brush, which looks like this, and it's super fine. It's almost like one little fine hair. Of course, a dotting tool to apply your gems, and a blooming gel to top it off. Go ahead and apply your blooming gel to all 5 nails. Don't put it on too thick. You're gonna go ahead down the line, continue applying your blooming gel. After that is on, now I'm gonna take my thicker style liner brush. Now, normally I have my colors on a palette already, but because we do things the hard way around here and we don't have things prepared before the video, you're gonna go ahead and get your palette out and put your colors on that palette. Do this before you put your blooming gel on, please. You're gonna grab purple. You're gonna find your center, and you're gonna drop that right there in the center. Find it. Drop it again. Take my purple, and I'm just gonna make a dot right there, a dot right there, right in the center here. Okay, and you're gonna let that spread. You're gonna take that pink color, you're gonna put the pink in the center of the purple. In the center of the purple, right in the center. Keep letting that spread. The yellow color, I'm gonna drop the yellow inside the pink. Just take it, drop a little bit. Don't need a whole lot. Grab a little bit more, drop it, grab it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Oh, you're gonna take the tiny little liner and you're gonna pick up that blue. That blue is gonna go in the center of that yellow, all the while the other color is spreading. Now we're gonna take that same purple liner and you're gonna start pulling out. Just pull, pull. Just like that. Okay, just like that. Easy. This is a super easy design. Anyone can do it. You can do it on long nails, short nails, whatever. Been having a lot of fun with blooming gel. There's so many things you can do, so many things. Once that is done and you are happy with the way that it is spread, and give that a full cure. I'm gonna grab Model1's matte top coat and we're gonna put the stones right into the matte top coat. I'm gonna do one nail at a time. Every nail is gonna be the exact same, so I'm gonna show you on one of the nails what I'm doing with the rest of them. So I'm applying the matte top coat. I'm just gonna put the gems right in the top, right inside of that matte. Big one is going to go right here at the top. Going to be some small ones that go from the nail bed area all the way to the free edge, just like so. That is how it's going to look on all of them. We are ready to apply these nails. Went ahead and I applied my ENC Couture peel off base coat. Stuff is really good. It works great. Pop them right off when you're finished if you want to. Well, you're going to have to if you use that stuff. Just a fair warning. If you want to leave them on, use the foil glue because you can get a couple days wear using this stuff as a peel off method. All right, so we're going to go in with the clear bubblegum gel. This stuff is freaking amazing. If you guys still have not tried this, a lot of companies sell it. Go get some. If you get it from ENC Couture, grab my 10% off code. Now, it is advised you do not touch the bubblegum gel with your finger. However, I don't listen to the rules a lot of times. Bad, I know. All right, so you're gonna grab just a teeny bit of the bubblegum gel and you're just gonna put that in there. Now you really don't have to flatten it out like I did there. I'm gonna go ahead and get my little flower light on. I'm gonna put it at a 45-degree angle. You're gonna press it down. You see it reach your free edge. Once it gets there, and with these, I'm just gonna pinch my sides and cure. Super easy product to use if you're new to the full covered après nail method, or if you're new to full covers period. This gel is absolutely amazing. It will change the way you do your nails. You literally apply it inside your pre-etched tip. You flip it over. Make sure your light is on and ready. You literally just press it down till it gets to your free edge. Put it under your light for maybe 5 seconds, and that's it. That's literally all you have to do. Once the nails are on, you're going to want to go ahead and give that a full cure. Have it. Now, if you do have any gel anywhere around your cuticle area, you're going to want to go ahead and clean that up. Take your e-file, seal in those cuticles before you add your gems. Make sure that part looks nice and clean. Make sure it looks like a natural nail instead of a press-on, okay? Don't forget that. Always remember to go in last with your cuticle oil. I'm going to use my Cotton Candy Cuticle Oil by ENC Couture. And used in today's video will be down below. If you guys are interested in the Model1's gel polish kit, you can use my 15% off discount code down in my description box. So I just want to say, Model1's, thank you so much for sending this kit to me for review purposes. I know what you guys think of this set. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Tell me what you guys think. What do you guys think of my aura? My Eye of the Aura, Instagram inspired. That is it for the review. I am going to give this kit 5 baby girl nails. I love the quality, the quantity. I like the colors that it comes with. I love the packaging. Love their primer. Love the matte top coat. Everything is great. Absolutely great. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Sending you guys lots of love and light. Stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.